Dia, who's been in the house with us? Luna? Who's been in the house with us?
Take a picture of the kitten.
Rarity. Guys, update on Kitten. She loved her new house. She gets along with the dog and my other cat great. She's super playful. I actually got her a collar. Yeah, she's a girl. Got her gender.
We got it from Walmart and it's purple.
We didn't get her from Walmart. We got her from church. Technically.
She looks so
What?
adorable. She's so
Shut up. That's what I thought. She's adorable. She's like the best little thing ever. Gracie, move your big head. Yay. Next time when they start play fighting, I'm going to record it and then I'll post it for you guys. So, yeah.